Okay, first, it depends on the calculator that you have. Most everybody in here, I think, has either an 83 plus or an 84. And for you, if you look at the x to the minus 1 key, it's the fourth one down right here. Above it, you see matrix. So in order to access the matrix menus, you go second, x to the minus 1. Okay. In order to put a matrix in the calculator, you're going to go over to the edit, right? And then the first matrix, let's call this our matrix A, right? And I'll call this one B. We're going to say 1, so it brings up A. Okay, now, what's the order? At the top of the screen, they're asking you for the order. Right, what is the order of this first matrix? 3 by 2. So we go 3, enter, 2, enter. And it'll pop up, you know, enough places to put a 3 by 2 matrix. Now we need to enter -1, enter. Every time you hit enter, it'll jump to the next one in the row. 3, enter. 4, enter. -2, enter. 5, enter, and 0. Did you see that? Okay. Now we need to enter matrix B, the second matrix. So repeat, right? Second, x to the minus 1 to bring up the matrix menu. Arrow over to edit, and this time pick 2 for matrix B. Okay, what's the order of the second matrix that we're multiplying? It's 2 by 2. So you got to select that at the top of the screen. 2, enter, 2, enter. And it should pop up a little 2 by 2 matrix underneath. Now enter the numbers. -3, enter. 2, enter. -4, enter. 1, enter. Any problems entering a matrix in the calculator? Okay. When you're done putting the matrices in the calculator, then you need to get back to the main screen, right? Second, quit, clear. Okay, now in order to multiply the matrices, right, you're going to go back to the matrix menu. Second, x to the minus 1, and now in that first selection for names, select 1. And then right away, you can show multiplication with matrices just like we do with numbers and variable expressions. You don't have to say times. You can if you want, but it's enough just to put them right next to each other like that. That means multiplication. So you could put in the times in the middle of it. It's okay. It won't make any difference to the calculation at all. Or you could just write them like right next to each other. That means multiplication. And when you hit enter, you got the solution, -9, -4, -15, 1, 6, 10, right? So it will do all of that for you. And you don't have to like risk all the rubbing your head and patting your tummy at the same time kind of coordination it takes to do this. Yeah.